Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are preparing for the UGC NET English exam and want to maximize your preparation in just 3 months, you have come to the right place. Today I am sharing a complete strategy along with the essential study materials that will save your time and efforts by providing everything you need to crack the exam. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all my latest videos. First thing first, let's understand the exam structure. The UGC NET consists of two papers. Paper 1, this paper focuses on general teaching and research aptitude, consisting of 50 questions covering topics like comprehension, communication, and teaching methodologies. Paper 2, this is a subject specific paper focusing on English literature with 100 questions. It covers wide range of topics including various literary periods, key authors, and literary theories. Understanding the syllabus is crucial, so make sure to get familiar with the key topics. This knowledge will guide you to study plan and help you prioritize effectively. Next, let's create a study plan. You have 3 months. We assume that we have 3 months. So here's how to break it down. Month 1, focus on foundational knowledge. Start with the British literature, American literature, and Indian literature. Dedicate time each week to read about different literary periods and their key figures. For example, in the first week, cover the Anglo-Saxon period and its major works. This might include pieces like Beowulf and key authors such as Alfred the Great. Month 2, dive deeper into major authors and their contributions. Explore literary criticism and theory and start practicing previous year's question papers. For example, spend a week focusing on the Romantic Age and read works by authors like Wordsworth and Coleridge. Use summaries to add your understanding. Month 3, intensive revision. Focus on mock tests and consolidating your knowledge. Create revision notes for quick reference. For example, in the final weeks, concentrate on mixed type questions and timing yourself while taking mock test or exam. Now let's talk about the essential study material that will streamline your preparation. I have compiled everything you need to know, organized in chronological order to make your preparation efficient. British literature. Cover all essential periods from the Anglo-Saxon to postmodern age. This is crucial for paper 2. And knowing the timeline will help you to recall important authors and works. American literature. Understand the evolution from early Americans through to contemporary literature. Key authors include Emerson, Hemingway, and knowing their contribution can help you tackle questions with ease. Indian literature explores significant movements like Dalit literature and Indian aesthetics. Understanding these concepts will help you, especially in paper 2. World literature. This includes insight into Australian, African, Italian, and more. Make sure to look at notable works from each region. This knowledge is invaluable for any comparative literature questions. Literary criticism and theory, essential for understanding the critical frameworks. Familiarize yourself with the key critics and their theories. This will help you answer questions related to literary analysis. Important poetry summaries. key summaries from various literary works will aid your revision and help you understand different poetic forms and their significance. Language and linguistics, fundamental concepts that can enhance your understanding of a text. This includes grammar, semantics, and phonetics. Chronology based resources. Key dates and important works from the 14th century to the 21st century will aid your memory during the exam. Make flashcards for quick revisions. Practice with the important characters, Nobel Prize winners, and significant literary quotes. This is crucial for familiarizing yourself with the questions format. Prosody and literary devices. Understanding these concepts is essential for analyzing poetry and prose. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the terms like iambic pentameter and metaphor. Gift booklet. This booklet contains frequently asked writers, famous quotes, and other valuable information you can refer to during your study sessions. Having this compact resource can be a game changer. What's fantastic about this material is how they save your time. Instead of scouring the internet or multiple books to collect information, everything is here, organized for you. No more wasted hours searching for summaries or key points. Everything is at your fingertips. This allows you to focus on studying rather than searching, making your preparation much more efficient. And here are some study tips to get the most out of these materials. Daily reading. Dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours each day to read each section. Set a specific goal for each study session. For example, read 2 chapters on British literature and summarize them in your own words. Next is practice questions. Regularly solve previous year questions and mixed type questions to get familiar with the exam format. This will also help you to identify your strong and weak areas. Next is revision notes. Create concise notes for each literary period and key concepts. For quick revision, try using mind maps to connect these ideas visually. As you approach the exam date, focus on intensive revision and mock tests. And here is how to maximize your last month. Mock exams. Take full-length practice tests under timed condition. This will help you manage your time effectively on the exam date. Review mistakes. After each mock test, review your mistakes and focus on those topics during your revision. Understand why you got certain answer wrong and correct your approach. Next is health is key. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, stay hydrated, eat nutritious meals, and ensure you're getting enough sleep. A clear mind is essential for effective studying. And now let's talk about the exam day itself. Preparation doesn't stop at studying. Here are some important tips for the big day. Plan logistics. Make sure you know the exam center and have all necessary documents ready, like your admit card and ID proof. A little prep goes a long way. Stay calm and confident. On the exam day, take a deep breath, read questions carefully, and manage your time effectively. If you encounter difficult questions, move on and come back to it later. Trust your preparation. Remember all the hard work you put in, stay positive, and approach the exam with the confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content. Let's ace this UGC NET English exam together. Remember, with the right material and a solid plan, you can achieve your goals. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.